Today, I'll walk you through how to share a Notion page to duplicate, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your Notion page so you can collaborate seamlessly with others. Let's get started. First, open your Notion application. You can do this by navigating to the Notion website or opening the app on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the layout may vary depending on your settings or updates. Once you have Notion open, locate the page you want to share. Click on that page and then look to the top right corner of your screen. Here you will see a Share button. Click on that. This is where the magic begins. Now after clicking Share, you will see an option to publish. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial because it allows others to access your page. You might need to click Publish again to confirm your action. This might seem repetitive, but it ensures that your page is properly set up for sharing. Next, look for the option that says Duplicate as Template. Toggle on this radio button. This feature allows others to create their own copy of your page, making it easy for them to customize it to their needs. Now that you have set everything up, it's time to share the link. You can either copy the link directly or use the social media sharing options provided. This way, you can easily distribute your Notion page to anyone you want. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share a Notion page to duplicate. Remember, sharing your Notion pages can enhance collaboration and streamline workflows, making it a powerful tool for teamwork. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.